Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. So I've recently been obsessed with lighting, and that was why when I set my eyes on this beautiful baby girl here, I saw it on Think Media and I just had to get it. I was like, what is this? It's just the perfect lamp. It's the perfect lamp. It's the perfect size. It's mushroom shaped and it's called Desja, the Desja mushroom lamp from IKEA. I'm going to leave a link in the description box if you want to get something like this. So basically in this video, I'm going to unbox and test it. And also the catch is this bulb here. And the reason it's a catch is because it changes color. You can actually change the color of this bulb just from your phone. But first of all, let's unbox this lamp. Now I know you're wondering, how do we change the colors and adjust the lighting? Let me show you. So the bulb I used for this lamp is not just any bulb. It's the Govee RGB Smart LED bulb. It can change colors and you can adjust the lighting setup from your phone using the Govee app. So I'm going to show you how to use the Govee app to adjust your lighting setup, change the colors, change the tone, reduce or increase brightness. Let's get to it. So if you get any of Govee's lighting, it comes with this instruction here, and you're going to scan the QR code on the instruction manual. Let's do that now. So this is the QR code. We're going to scan it and then open the link. Because so when you open the link, you download the app, download. So when it's done downloading, click on it, install. Then open after it has been installed. And then up in this plus button here, click on the plus button. Enable Bluetooth permission to search. So click on your Bluetooth. Tap to authorize. Click on access, allow. So it's scanning for the nearby Govee devices around. So it has found the device. As long as it's turned on, it would find it. Even if it's not turned on, as long as there's a Govee device in your house, it would find it. So I'll click on add. Log in using your Gmail. So it's connecting now. After adding it, connect. Device name Smart LED bulb, correct. And then click on done. Put in my password now. I click on done. And now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Oh, you can even control your device using your voice, but I don't want to do that. Now watch how I control my device. Did you see how it changed from warm to cold? Clap that. Now let me change the color to red. Ooh, did you see that? Love it. To orange, to yellow, to blue. Ooh. Back to red. So there are so many colors. You can pick some in the color wheel, so you can place it anywhere you want. And the colors will just keep changing. I think that's just, I love it. Look how I'm just changing the colors of this. I just like it. I like that I can change the color anytime I want, right from my phone. I also like that I can change it from cool to warm, from cool to warm, period. You can also, like, there's a lot you can do with this. Ooh, festival scenes. Do you see what's going on with the lights? Do you see what's going on with the lights? I love it. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. This is my thing. I love things like this. Okay? Okay, let's just keep it in one color. Wait, music? What do they mean music? So you can actually make this tempo according to the music. This is just beautiful. So this light can actually be sensitive to your background music. Wow, I love this. Actually, this is my first time experimenting with all the features in the Govee app. At first, I was only checking out the ability to change the lights to anything you want, and also from cool to warm, and reducing the brightness. But I didn't know you can do all these other things, and there's a lot you can do with this app actually. So yeah, well, all you need to do is learn how to connect it, which I just showed you, and the light is yours, like to play with or do whatever you want. Well, anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you like this. Okay, now that's enough. I don't, bruh, stay in one place. We don't need this. I don't need this. Hey, just stay somewhere, okay? I don't need you to be everywhere. Behave yourself, okay? Anyways, that's it for this video. I would see you in my next one. I really need to check out all these features now. I'm really enjoying this light now. I've forgotten you all exist. If you want this light, I'll leave a link in the description box to get the lamp, and a link you can get this light on Amazon. I'll leave a link to that as well. So click on it and go get yours, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.